Former Chief Minister and Leader of the Opposition, Dr. Mukul has called for immediate intervention by both Assam and Meghalaya after Byrnihat was declared the world's most polluted city. Dr. Sama emphasized the need for joint efforts from both states to enforce stricter environmental regulations. According to the World Air Quality Report 2024 by Swiss air technology firm IQ, Byrnihat recorded the highest PM2.5 concentration globally last year, averaging 128.2 micrograms per cubic meter. The report placed Byrnihat at the top of the list of the world's 20 most polluted cities, with Delhi remaining the most polluted capital.
It's not just the industries in our side. It is also the industries which is on the other side of our Assam-Meghalaya border. Therefore, there has to be, collective endeavor involving the authorities of both the states, and we must come up with desired solution to. There are a number of interventions which will have to be required to be placed by the respective industries. They should comply with different parameters required to be followed to address the concern of those emission and pollution, the resultant pollution.